So you might know him as White Rat in the now concluded hit series Game of Thrones, but did you know that Marcus James was born right here in Jamaica? Well, yeah, I did kind of know that, and Simone told me that she actually was in Little People, right? Little People with him. Morning, Marcus. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you so much. Hi, Simone.
No, Simone trying to go on like she know big time people, and so you don't.
Simone is big time herself.
No, you don't. You don't have to pretend that you know her. You know. It's all right.
Okay.
How are you? How are you? What's going on? Everything all right?
I'm really good, excited, just really appreciative of the support that I've been getting from Jamaica. It really means a lot.
Yeah. How much did what you did in Jamaica with Lacadco and Kathy Levy players and all that, how much of that enabled you to do what you're doing now?
A lot. I've always been mindful of the fact that my international career started really from the training that I got with the players of Ashe and Lacadco. When I booked The Lion King and booked several other shows after that, right up to Game of Thrones. I think all my training in terms of imparting not only artistic abilities, but also with discipline is something that carried me through right up to this day. I mean, even though I obviously have gained more experience beyond what I initially trained, beyond the shows and productions that I did in Jamaica, they have played an invaluable role in my life so far.
Yep. How early in your life did you know? Because I mean, I'm an old man and I still don't know what I want to do. How early in your life did you know this is what I want to do? And why? And why? What was the fascination with the arts and what you're doing now?
Well, I actually started off in sports. I started off in track and field and I played field hockey. My dad worked with the national hockey team of Jamaica, the men's team. And so I actually had a passion for sports, and then I got involved in the Little People and Team Players Club, and that's kind of where my mindset changed, because I was surrounded by a lot of incredible talent, a lot of people. And at that point in time, I was just enamored with the whole idea of being in a room with such talented people, and I just never stopped after that. And so I think it was just a matter of staying with the path that I was on from Little People and allowing that to progress and allowing that to transition into what I'm doing now. So I feel a sense of inner contentment with where I am, and that is how I know I'm on the right path.
Yeah. Was there any time that you said, nah, I think I made the wrong move. I want to go become an accountant or be the president of the United States or something. Was there any time that you thought you would kind of move away from what you're doing?
No. I actually do have a degree in film production, and I actually went to Carmack as well. So I guess I had a plan B anyway, but that didn't take me off of the path that I'm on. And the reason it hasn't taken me off the path that I'm on is that I've been successful enough for there not to have been any doubt with regards to where I was heading and with regards to what I was doing.
Yeah, it's obviously an amazing journey thus far. Was it an easy journey? Is it an easy journey?
Definitely not easy in the sense that I've had to spend a lot of time away from my immediate family, from mom, my dad, my brother. So in that sense, from that sense, in terms of the practicality of navigating the industry, no. In terms of being sure of the path that I'm on, yes. Of course, every industry comes with challenges, comes with situations that you have to deal with. But I view these as learning experiences in order to continue with a positive momentum, basically. Yeah. So yes and no is the answer.
How did you get the role, White Rat? How did you get that?
Okay, so I have a representative in London, and I have a representative in LA. At the time, I only had a representative in London. She put me up for a production. I had no idea what it was until the day before going in. But I have, after reading the script, after reading what I would have to do in the audition, I kind of imagined exactly how it would go. And exactly what I imagined is exactly what unfolded in the casting room. And I was just able to deliver exactly what they were looking for. I was exactly the physical representation of what they were looking for. And it just all came together. Right moment, right time.
amazing. What's happening now and what will happen in the near future?
Well, of course, I'm doing Keeping Up with the Joneses now, and what's happening in the future is that there's a possibility that the series will extend, fingers crossed. But also, I'm also working on my own independent projects. I've started writing a script for a feature film. I'm working with an Emmy-nominated producer, and he's guiding me, and we're working through that. So there's a sense of independence with my artistic endeavors, as well as continuing with my castings, etc.
Yeah. Did you say your father played hockey? Is your father Danny James?
Yes.
Your father
Yes.
is Danny James?
Yeah.
Wow. You know, he's one of our best footballers that I've seen in a long time. I didn't know that.
Yeah. My dad is Donald James, yeah.
Yeah, he's outstanding. Great to see you. Do you want to say hi to anyone in Jamaica outside of Simone? Because I see she coming now to.
Hi Simone. Hi Simone. Hi to my there we go.
That's actually
my
for me.
family.
That's actually for me still, isn't it?
Okay,
No, it's for Marcus. It's for
So anyone you want to heal up, Marcus?
I just want to heal up my family first and foremost. My mom, my dad, Donald James, of course, you know who he is. And I want to give a shout out to my PR team, Sure Thing PR and David Heron. They've done an outstanding job with regards to promoting the project in Jamaica and the Caribbean region. And I really am grateful for all the work that they've done. And thanks to Jamaica for the support. I've been reading all the comments online, and it's just been incredible and kind of emotionally overwhelming to still know that I have that connection with the island, even though I haven't been home in such a long time.
Yeah. You have a master's in film production. Does that mean that that mean we're going to see you in Jamaica soon to say you're going to be shooting a film out here and I'll be one of the lead actors and stuff like that? Is that going to happen soon?
A possibility, yeah. The project that I'm working on is being shot in the Caribbean and in the United States. I don't want to give away too much, but I am working with a producer, and it's going to be a very interesting project, and we'll just see how that unfolds.
Yeah, man.
For sure.
Good luck. Good to see you. Stay safe and God bless.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. International Jamaican actor Marcus James. We're having cake for breakfast. Actress Rosie Murray has brought a few treats for us, so we soon come. Actually, I think it's Simone should bring it.